Assalamu alaikum my YouTube viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Studio. How are you? I hope all of you are fine, doing well and enjoy their lives. My dear viewers, I am back with my new video and new content which I hope you like my new content and attractive ideas of my video. In this video you can see new ladies shoes collection, women shoes, fashion shoes, fashionable shoes. These shoes when you wear you look more precious and attractive and older. Women also wear these shoes because these shoes when you wear you can walk confidently, and you can also wear these shoes with tops, shorts and jeans. You can go to wear these shoes for your job, you can attend your meeting, and you can to go any function or any party or any gathering, because when you go outside to wear these shoes you look attractive, people attract around you. If you like my video content, then support me and like my video, share my video, and most important thing is that subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then you can see my new upcoming video with new content and new more attractive ideas, which is definitely you like to see. If you like another content, then suggest me in my comment section. See my video till the end to explore new ideas. I suggest you to wear these shoes with the jeans, shorts as well as tops. If you like another content, then suggest me in my comment section. If you suggest me in my comment section, then inshallah the new video which I made, which you suggest me, and I hope you will be like my video, and if you support me, and then inshallah I made the new content attractive ideas, which is benefit for you, which maybe you like. Share my video with your social media accounts and subscribe my channel to see more attractive and beautiful videos. I suggest you to wear these shoes with jeans, shorts as well as tops. Now I'm go get office.